So last year I made this little series of ghosts holding things, and they turned out so cute. They were some of the favorites because they could have like little themes to them. You can make these for friends or for trick-or-treaters. So the first thing you have to do is just lay out some body ghosts. You can use paint pens or acrylic paint in a paintbrush. You can put one, you can put two, and I'm just going to show some of the fun things that they were holding. So for this one, I'm adding a white circle because this one was holding a balloon. Make sure to do a couple coats if you need to before you get started on the decorations. Now for most of the decorations, I'm using my paint pens, a combination of fine tip, and for the black, I'm using the extra fine tip. So you need to give them like an arm slash hand to be holding things, and it's as simple as that one little line there. That's the hand. So this first one, super simple. This ghost is holding a little flower. So I'm just, again, using a combination of paint pens. You can use acrylic paint brushes for this as well. For the ghost eyes, I just do two big eyes. And for the mouths on these, I wanted to be smiling. Don't pay attention to that mouth. That one didn't turn out right. I do come back and touch it up. And then you just line the ghost, okay? I'm going to let the flower dry. We'll come back and hit that in a minute. I also like to do pink cheeks on some of these because it's so cute. And I did add a little yellow center on that flower. Now for this one, I wanted to do a balloon. So I added my balloon first, gave that little arm and a string. And this balloon we are doing as a cute little, like almost like Jack skeleton style balloon. And I do come back with my white extra fine tip and fill in that little bottom part of the balloon. Now, on this one, I'm showing you can use two hands. So you can have a hand coming from both sides holding something like an adorable little pumpkin. There are seriously endless things that you can put in these little hands. We had so much fun on our live. People were throwing out ideas. This one's holding a sign. Now this one kind of, I'm going to show you how I fix it. I gave him a little hand, and when I added on the stick to hold the sign was kind of wonky. So then I just tilted the sign and made it a little bit bigger. These are so forgiving. You can kind of switch them up however you need to. I put boo on my sign. I thought that was fitting. Fill in the little holder there as well. Again, I said I wanted to fix my mouth. See, I'm going to add just a little dimple there. I just wanted it to be like a really fat smiley face. I wanted these to be happy ghosts, not necessarily scary ghosts. For the two ghosts, I did come back and add little hands because I wanted them to be holding hands and kind of like spinning, like so that's how I did that. So just make sure the arms come past the front of the body because then it will look like they're reaching out to each other. Again, with an extra fine tip, you can come in and line things, give things a little bit more detail, like I outlined the flower and that pumpkin back there. Add little white highlights in the eyes. That bumps up that cute factor just a little bit. I am going to show you here at the end. I did a few more that I didn't have in my filming for whatever reason. A little heart between the two that are dancing, and I lined that as well. Play around with this. You can do so many different things. Can you pick a favorite even? I definitely can't.